What's up, YouTube? I'm just reviewing some Advent of Code solutions today. This is day one, so hope you enjoy it. I guess let's just get into it. This was all done live on Twitch. You can submit yours if you catch me live on twitch.tv/TGTV. Thanks, everybody. Ooh, Nightshade. Let's look at yours. Advent of White Paper. Now do it in TypeScript types. Okay, nice. Lists, replacer, hate. Wait, what is replacer hate? Actually, did you get mad? It's ugly. I hated part 2. He just got mad. No job Haskell register. Exactly. Low level learning knows. Good command. Rage-driven dev. There's got to be some way, I feel like, in Erlang to match against like the start of a string or something. That seems like a really Erlang thing to do. It just seems like there would be one. All right, let's see yours. Read lines. Yep, classic. That's fine. Should have used core. Okay. I do think, by the way, chat, I think if you're committing your inputs, I think it's been asked not to do this, by the way, just as a heads up. Oh, I see. Yep. This is first time OCaml. This is not so bad. This is kind of a funny solve. Like, I think it's kind of nice. For this, you can do actually like 0. You can do the thing I did. Do I still have that? Did I not do? Oh, well, yeah. You can do 0 ... to not like a range. That will work here. Or you can say char, like when char dot is digit is also good. Oh, but, or string, maybe string is digit. Maybe string is digit. I don't know if it has that or not, actually. What up, Okinya? Elixir. Oh, nice. Yeah, you did it here. You don't need all these parentheses like this. This isn't Lisp. Don't worry. It's not Lisp. You don't need these. You don't need these. Too much closure. Closure dev detected. I knew it. You could just tell right away. Oh my goodness, I'm naked without my parentheses. Ah! Everyone's gonna see me without these putting up my walls. Like, look at all these extra parentheses. Nice, this is cool though. This is all right. All right, we'll look at the Elixir. Oh my good. Okay, sorry chat. Wait, let me quick write down a note. All right. Vim notes for successful stream.md.org mode. Make fun of Clojure more and Lisp programmers. Okay. Cool. All right. Back to this. Thanks, Mita. Appreciate it. Hey, oh man, Mita, thanks. A real pain. Need more parents. Wow, 40 gifties. Thanks, buddy. That's really kind of you. I appreciate it. I keep forgetting that we need to do... We need to add this as the sound effect. We'll get there. Maybe this week will be the week. Right here.
Really good.
I actually died of ligma.
There it is, right there. I actually died of ligma. That's coming to a dono effect near you. Or Mogi. Well, it's more funny to make fun of the Lisp people in org mode, is it not, though? I show you the Rust solve? Yeah. Yeah, we'll look at a few. I can probably hang out for a little bit longer. Let me know you need to test it. I will. Janky Haskell solution. Of course they've got PhD in the name. I mean, guys, you're playing yourself. Okay, you're playing yourself. This can't possibly be my fault for making fun of you. Like, this is not on me. Advent to PhD. Oh man, that's funny. Play stringify digits. Is digits. Nice. Oh, this is cool. Needs to be on a paper. Exactly. If it's not literate Haskell, I'm throwing it out. I'm throwing it out right now. Oh my goodness. Just regular Haskell. Not even literate Haskell. Where's your LaTeX? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's pretty much the same solve as me though. This is pretty much the same solve. Look at this. This is the same thing I did. Words to nums, just num rest, nothing. Yep, that's fine. That's good. Yep. Nice. This is a good solve. Haskell should be illegal. Does anyone think it's kind of ironic how much Haskellers use in their code, but have literally never made a product? Come on. Come on, chat. Come on, chat. That's a good one, right? PhD dev in shambles. PhD, where'd you go? Haskell community. This code's actually cool, though. All right, let me see if map first, get this, map this, blah, blah, turn it into a digit. This is fine. Part A is kind of easy. I'll go back and cry with my monads. All 14 of them. Part 2. So we did basically the same thing, though. Right here, what you can tell, chat. Although you had an extra case. Like, so I kind of felt like it was cooler to have all the cases be in one, but this is also good. Right? So this keeps going and then just goes to the next one, right? Go rest, right? So you're getting basically each of the T's. That's cool. Haskell shambles, exactly. Oh, someone make fun of, an Odin one. Okay, we'll also check out the Odin one. This one's cool, though. All right, the Haskell one was fine. I never seen this enum member stuff for, I think we've also got the Rust one. Okay. Because I haven't written enough Elixir to know this, but this is cool. First digit, split line enum, drop while. Yep. Nice enum reverse. Very cool. Yep. Yep, that part's cool. This is really similar to the same thing we did, right? This is looking for the first one, looking for the last one, join these together, turn it into an int. And then this is replace. Oh, very smart. This is a good strategy too. Very good strategy. This is like the clearer strategy than the one where you just put one letter on each side. This one's nice. I like this. That's nice. Whose was this? Elixir devs, name yourself. I know you were gonna tell me anyways. 7, it's good. Oh, I7, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Cut your roads as well. Thanks for the feedback. I like it. It's cool. It looks pretty. And there's some stuff I didn't know Elixir had, which I like. Like, this is really cool. That's very cool. All right. We looked at that one already. Okay. Chat, we're about to get this guy so hard. We're about to get this guy so hard. He has no idea this is coming. He has no idea this is coming. Come on, Google Photos. Don't fail me now. We got him. We got him so good, chat. We got him so good. He thinks he had me. He thought he had me. He thought he had me. Oh, yeah? Bet you've never even seen a camel. Get absolutely destroyed. Throw the link. It even has 2 up. Chat, thinking I would take a picture with a single humped camel when I know the OCaml is whatever you call this thing. A dodecahedron camel with 2 sides. Oh man. Dromedary and a bicameral or something like that. All right. I remember what it is always and then forget. Okay, let's look at Odin. And then we'll check out this Rust one, and then I probably should go to work. Okay, so running the program. Lame. Geo, my dude. Thanks, Geo. I appreciate that. Work? Okay, so this one, digit. Takes a byte. No pattern matching. Does language not have pattern matching? Are there some products made in OCaml? Jane Street. Ahrefs. Samgrep, I think, right? Note, make fun of OCaml haters. Got him. Exactly. Yeah. Let's go back to here. Post pictures of me with a real camel in reply to people calling me out thinking I've never seen a real camel. Shake my head. Like I would pick a language and not see the mascot. Python? Check. Rust? Check. Definitely seen that. My bike? TypeScript? I don't know what the mascot is. A T? My name starts with that. Obviously Gophers. It's a... Yeah. All right, let's look at this Odin one some more. Okay, so where's my who wrote this one? Leighton? Is there you've seen a wild gopher in the forest? I've seen him at the zoo. I feel like that counts. There's no pattern matching in this language. Next, real girl. Hope you haven't used Java before. Oh, true. We got to go back. Java, drinking it right now. JavaScript, pooping it later. Not really? Okay, that's fine. I was just making sure. No person could program in a language with a real... Arch users would be in shambles. We wouldn't understand. Exactly. Hannah Montana Linux. Have to know a real girl. You wouldn't understand. Load. Does this load a file? That's cool. This just pulls the file in. This is the Java mascot. No. This can't be true. I refuse to believe that. That's not real. A Tide Pod? Is this what the kids were eating? Is this what these youngins thought was a tasty snack? Crazy. Looks like it. Twitter made fun of it. Nice. Nice. Check. Tide Pod? Check. Imagine exactly. Thank you, Nightshade. Thank you. Oh man. His name is Duke. Interesting. All right, for line in split lines, left, right, -1. Digit. If it's -1, do continue with. Oh, skip, I guess. If left is -1, left is this. Okay, smart. Yep, that's fine. No shot at Tide Pod is named Duke. Okay, cool. Yep. This works fine too. This is good too. Instead of just concatenating and turning into a number, this is good. Part 2. Oh, they've got case statements. Okay. Pre. Oh, cool. Okay. If it really matters, a try data structure would make sense. We're on day 1. So we're safe. This is day 7 or 8 material, at least. And then you just get to do the same solution. Nice, this is good. I think this looks pretty good. This is very readable. I've never read Odin. I'm not sure exactly when you use double colons versus 1 versus this versus that. I don't really get exactly the rules for that right now, but that's nice. All right, who posted the Rust one? That was a good solution though, Leighton. Nice work. It gets a thumbs up from me. Mute and for loops? Shake my head. You're writing this like it's Go. Okay? Go read about iterators and come back tomorrow. No, I just kidding. I would never post my Rust solution in OCaml check. No, I like Rust. It's good. I've only done Go. She's such a good read. Literally called it. Writing this like it's Go. Yeah, that's the only language I know. Stop. Called Go, called Lisp. We're on fire. I didn't even have to finish reading PhD's one as well because I knew it was going to be Haskell. We're safe, dude. We are so safe. Line digit 2. Is this for part 1? Oh, this must be part 1, part 2. Okay. Got it. To digit, base 10, if digit and not found. Oh, interesting. You should just return, I feel like. This is kind of confusing. Oh, you only did part 1. Oh, and then you stopped. Okay, I got you. I would say this way is a little bit hard to understand. So here, we'll do this part in Rust, and I'll show you some options. All right. I just want to copy all of this. Hello? Is there no copy all? Whatever. This one's fine. We can just close this one. We'll take the test one and just do this. No such file or directory. Where did I just save this? This is not an input.txt. Okay, cool. We'll just delete line digit 2. Oh, this is the second way that you try to solve it. Filter map. Oh, nice. Oh, okay. This one's better. Oh, okay. Never mind. No, you got this one. This one's good. This way is way better. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. This is pretty much what I was going to show you that you could do. But then I would just probably go like... I would just... Because you could collect this instead. I think it's a lot easier if you just do like this, basically. Like collect vec of... What are... I wouldn't even turn these to... I wouldn't even turn them to digits yet either, but that's fine. You could do like this, right? Whoops. Like this. So now, iter, the being iterator, you could just collect them into a vec. You're going to go over all of them anyways. Later, you might want to do it with more iterators and stuff. But I think it's like easier like this, right? And you can just literally go like return iter.first.unwrap times 10 plus iter.last.unwrap. Right, like this. I think that that's a lot easier. Like, you're just going to say, right, that it is. The other option you could do is you could say, like, result, like this, right? Something like this. And then you could just go dot, or like, you could change this to an option. And then instead of unwrapping everywhere, you could just go like this, right? And then you could handle that later. Option 32, expected enum first. Does not work. Oh. Because it needs to be owned. That part's annoying. Well, whatever. I think you can do this. No? Option and 32. What am I not? It's not throw. So this is first. This should be some option. Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. I'm not paying attention, am I? Like this. So it doesn't throw. What it does is this is called the try operator. And so this pretty much decides whether it should keep going and return sort of the thing that it tried to do, or if it can, it automatically converts to this, right? So it's like you can do this, and then you can just sort of say like fail otherwise, right? This is like this way I think is like that way's nice, right? So that would be like how I would write it instead, if that makes sense. This way is way, like, your second solution was way better than your first option, so that was good. And then... yeah, that part's fine. Nice. So that looks pretty good. It's my own color scheme. There's like some... oops, I did the wrong one. Colors. There we go. Okay. Cool. Anybody else want me to look at their solution quick before we go? Oh, is Prime on? Nice. Yeah, sure, I'll look at it. I'm still working on my bash one. Nice. Show you my Go solution? Yeah, that's fine. We got 10 minutes and then I'll leave. I'll look at solutions for 10 more minutes and then... All right. Okay, we'll look at these and then we gotta go. Ooh, closure. Slurp it up, split the lines. Yep. Okay, here's all your digits. Cool. Here's your lookup. Okay, this is just like how I did this as well, basically. That's good. Leftmost filter partial includes digits. Min key. Oh, so this seems kind of not good. Yeah, I know Prime's doing OCaml. I already finished, Odie. We already did it. Won't this go over all of them? Like, this looks for every single one every single time. Oh, right, which is what you want. You're looking for the leftmost one. So this, okay, cool. No, this is cool. That's cool. Okay, nice. Yeah. That's good. I'm not sure, Geodude. Rightmost, same thing, but max key. Very cool. This works. That's nice. Yeah. Sweet. That's really cool. I like the solution a lot. This gets a +1. I'm going to give it a star. I just starred this gist. That's a really good one. Is this correct? That we have different answers, chat. I like that one a lot. That one's really nice. Prime is live. Okay, we'll rate him momentarily. Solve first part, solve second part, map, calibration, array, chars, filter, is digit. Nice, that one's good. Yep, that's fine. Yep, that's good. Solve second part. Find digits. Yep, calibration symbols. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh, that's kind of nice. Yeah, that's a cool solution too. Okay, this one's pretty nice as well. We wrote an OCaml one already. Here's one in Go. Input from a file, boring. Okay, so this is where left found, right found. Not a huge fan of doing this. I would either just run it in 2 separate functions, or but that's okay. I just find it like confusing when you have to check these kind of cases, right? This is the smart way to solve this as well. Nice. With a replacer, very cool. Yeah, nice. Overall, good. I'm just not a huge fan of doing this kind of stuff inside of here. It just gets me confused. Gets me confused. We already looked at the Haskell one. Did someone just send me an OCaml one? Yeah. Scan, pass, non-G, resume. Okay, so similar strategy of like doing some of the like overlapping regex shenanigans. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and a digit. Nice. Oh yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. And this just looks for the first one, or no? Oh, no, you get all the digits, and then you get the first and the last one. Nice. Yeah, nice. Very cool. Yeah, this one's good. I like it. I like it. Okay, we'll rate Prime and then we'll get out of here. Oh wait, someone sent the C one. We gotta look at C, of course. We gotta look at C. What'd you think, Odie? We did a closure one already. We looked at a closure one. You highlighted the code and image popped up? I don't know. Num stir enum. Okay, number string 1 2 3 blah blah blah. number. Okay. Yep. So you're checking the lengths because this is what you have to do. Nice. Oh, I love it. Very cool. What else have you been writing, Odie? It seemed like you knew what you were doing. Oh my goodness, dude. This is where I'm thinking like, yeah, I'm happy I chose OCaml instead. You've got to have some standard lib for a bunch of this stuff, right? Like, I mean, this is just like checking if a stir matches, right? Duplicate if only one digit encountered. Classic C. If it's 1, then B is A. Yep, that's fine. Move A. That one's interesting. I thought you knew. Didn't you decide to learn something more useless like Julia or Haskell? I do kind of, I mean, like, I've been writing OCaml for fun, so I want to write more OCaml. Okay. We already finished ours in OCaml. We'll do a quick review for everybody, and then we'll go right prime. So short answer, part 1 is pretty easy, right? Part 1's pretty easy. You can just turn the characters and see which ones are digits and then add them together. Right? So we're just going to fold over the lines and accumulate the number. That one's pretty easy. Part 2. Part 2, right, is that we do all the different cases. You don't have to do it this way. I thought it was kind of nice to put all the cases in one. Right? So I kind of like having all the cases here. And so then you can take some string and some starting position and you can say, hey, do we have some digit basically here, right? This is the string. Maybe map to digit is better. Maybe we say map to digit is more reasonable. And then we just basically look to see like, yeah, did we match it or not? So in the simple way, you can loop the whole thing and then you make a whole list of all of them. So this is basically for each position in the list, you just walk your cursor forward and see if you have a number, right? And then so then you just get the head and the last of that. That one's pretty easy. Surprised you use a sliding window with a try. Why would I do that? We can just do this. Did you see how long they are? They're all this long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I can just do this. 30. Nothing's longer than like 30 or 40. You can just check them all. I was saying this way is pretty easy, right? Prime, I'm about to rate him. And then the other way that's really good as well is you just actually, instead of doing the whole thing, because we only need the first and the last number. The first and last number is really easy. So you just start at the beginning, find the first one that matches. And same thing, start at the end until you find one that matches. And then you just use those numbers and add them up. Right? So get the first match, get the last match, make them into a number, add them. Right? So I think that way is really fast. Like this way is pretty good. Okay, that's it. We will be back maybe later today. Otherwise, we'll be doing some more Advent of Codes. Maybe I'll try and sneak in over the weekend. You guys know that I normally don't stream on the weekend, but you know, for Advent of Code, I feel like we can make an excuse. Plus, we might come up with some sweet bangers again of tweets. Like, where did it go? Nice Doritos, liking my I mean, how good is this scenario? Does anyone think it's kind of ironic how much Hasklers use $ in their code but never made a product? Crazy, some coders haven't seen a camel IRL. Boom. Replied with the camel. We got him. We got him. We got him so good. I saw that, Nightshade. The OCaml. Okay, sweet. That was fun though. Really nice day. We got a few other things set up for the project too, so we should be in a good spot. I'll probably do something to make this easier later, but yeah, we got them real good here, chat. We got them real good.